Hi guys, how's it going? I just want to show you some birds I've been eating a lot since I put a plate down. I just thought it would be neat to show you guys because it's just to me it's awesome. I thought I'd share it with y'all. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so far, I have another 10 minutes of footage of birds flying in. Well, probably an hour by now, but I just did 10 minutes. Look, one's on my plant. Look, one's on the plant, and one's in there, and look, they just keep coming. One after another. Sometimes there's like 10 of them. This one isn't too sure of me. One just came in and scared the other one and it flew up and tried to get out. The one that was just on the plate scared the other one. See, look. One just flew in again. Because they see me, I guess. And get scared. See that? Cool. One after another. Well, it's really, really cloudy in here from the vapor. Birds kind of don't mind though. I kind of do. That's all right though. It's just vapor. from my vape. I'm just sitting here filming these birds. I already filmed 10 minutes of footage. I'm gonna do this all day probably. I need more bird seed though. I'm gonna run out soon. Within a week probably. These birds keep going AWOL. As soon as the Stellar's Jays see that, they're gonna be they'll pick that clean. They'll take every seed out of there. Look. Wow. They'll take every single seed they can get. They most likely will, I think. I'm gonna film just under another 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna shut it down, and then I'll film more in a bit. What a mess they're making. There's seeds everywhere. I'm way over there. It's on the lamp. Look. It's on the lamp. On the plant now. They're just fighting over everything. One's flew up. See that, guys? Wow. They're getting more and more bold. I think I'm going to film for a lot longer than 10 minutes. They're actually getting more comfortable being in here. That was so cool. One was on the plant. It was on the lamp and the plant. It was right up there in the plant. Look at that one. It was on the lamp, right? Then the plant. And then 3 of them came in. 2 of them came in. There's 3 in here at one time. 3. That was so cool. There's stuff in the way, but I was just trying to film them good, right? I need a camera